What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we're gonna be going into the R1S studios. If you haven't checked out the previous video when we started to check out the all-weather floor mats, Rivian sent out the wrong ones. They sent one out for the R1T and not the R1S. So Rivian sent out a new one, a new set. We haven't opened it up yet. The old set is over there. That one's the wrong set. So hopefully when we open this up, that this is the correct one for the R1S. The box on this set is actually in better shape than the previous one. As you can see, there's some additional tape that they used on that one. But looking at the label, it looks like it is the correct one right there. It says R1S All-Weather Mat Kit. All right, we're in good shape. So before I remove it, I wanted to just also show what the R1S comes with. It's this really thin floor mat. I actually like these, but I just don't know how well they'll hold up. My R1T for about 15 months, they held up pretty well. And the cool thing I like about this is the color matches with the lighter interior. But basically, they're just held on in place by these two buttons or fastener. But yeah, really simple. And that's for the front. They are the same. Now for the second row, there are, I believe, three buttons or fasteners along the side closest to the second row seats. There are none on this side. And then the third row is just a black or dark colored mat. They also have those buttons or fasteners, 3 of them. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove the driver's side. It's very simple. You just take the buttons out and that's it. You know, I should really clean down under there. I'm gonna clean it real quick. Back side of these floor mats, there's actually little what is it? What are these called? Pointy things to have grip so they don't slide around, but they shouldn't slide around because there's these fasteners on here. But the other thing too is you don't have to like look at it and look at the shape and like, okay, I wonder where these go, because down here it says R1T, R1S, because the front row, the first row, is the same for both R1T and R1S. But it says front driver, and it's made in USA. TPE material 2459. Very cool. Okay, I like that. So yeah, it spells out front driver. In some of the other floor mats that I've gotten, it just has like acronyms or abbreviations. I mean, but they're fairly easy to follow. Like RR is rear right or right rear or whatever. Or FR is front right, not front rear. But at least this spells it out. So that's pretty cool. And that yellow logo, you could see it on the other side as well. So it's like through and through it looks like. Yeah, check that out. All right, just like before, these are actually great fit. Just have to line up the fasteners. All right, there you go. Fits really nice. I like the walls. Keep the liquid within the mats. Let's see if I could push this down a little bit. Huh. Okay. So that part kind of comes up a little bit. I don't remember seeing it on the other side being like that. Let me try the other mats from the R1T that they sent me incorrectly. Yeah, I checked the other set and they fit the same way. It kind of pops up a little bit here. Maybe just have to keep stepping on it or something. But what would happen is you would get debris coming in from this side. But I guess the issue you're trying to resolve is liquids, wet stuff. So definitely it'll keep it out of the way because of the raised edges. All right, so this is the front passenger. And I don't know why I didn't notice this in the previous video, but it's coming up here a little bit. The fitting isn't as good as like third-party ones that I've seen. So, but again, I mean, if the concern is, you know, the wet liquids and all that, it will do its job. It's just the fitting. I don't know. What do y'all think? Look, do you have a Rivian? Official Rivian all-weather floor mats? Do they fit this way? I don't know. But yeah, it comes out this way. So you do see a little bit of the carpet here, but the raised edges should prevent water from spilling onto the carpet below. Should. All right, so just to double check, R1S rear, we got the right ones. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the correct ones. All right, so this is for the second row. The fitting is a little bit tight. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know about the fit. Look at the fitment. It kind of bulges up here. Rivian, what's going on? I don't know. But okay. Maybe I'm just used to third-party stuff that are like fitting much better. Wow. Yeah, see? The fitment is, wow. I don't know. I don't know if I can, Okay, well, let's try the third row. So what I did is I also moved the second row seats back a little bit just to give me room. But now we're gonna move it forward. All right, now we're looking at the third row. As you can see, there are 3 buttons that you just have to unfasten. Hopefully the fit on this one's a little better, but let's go check it out. All right, so here is for the third row, the fitment. I mean, if you compare it to the other two, probably would be slightly better, but look, check this out. This is the cutout. As you can see, it's not lined up. See how it comes out this way and goes up? Like it's not, wow. Like it should be more that way, but if you line it up to where the buttons or the fasteners are, like this is, they're pushed in. Man, what's up, Rivian? You trying to be like Tesla with misalignments? Oh man, okay. And then over here, you see, I don't know if you could see that. I guess debris can get in here and go under, but I mean, primarily what you're concerned about is the liquid stuff. So I guess it should be okay. Because if liquid goes here, then I mean, this gets wet anyway. So, wow, okay. Let's go look at the other side. Yeah, it's the same thing. Like it's not lining up. Like you could see where it's supposed to be, but if you line up the buttons, yeah. I mean, it's going to do what it's primarily meant to do, I would assume. Is just the lineup. Like it's just not lining up, and there's some areas where it bulges out, or I don't know. Let's look over here. So the cool thing too is the raised walls are all the way on that far end also. So it's all around. So it will keep liquids within the mats themselves. Okay, so I haven't taken a trip with the floor mats yet. I just installed them. Initial impression, just initial impressions. Fitment could be better. I mean, if it's a first party accessory, your expectations should be, it should fit like the best because it's a first party product. And in my opinion, at least the set that I have, it's not fitting well. So I'm gonna send some photos over and do a review on the Rivian website. I don't know if they're all like that. If you do have a Rivian branded all-weather floor mats for the R1S, even for the R1T, let me know how that fitting is for you. But as far as keeping liquids within the mats themselves, it looks like it's going to do that because of the raised walls. I just don't know about like debris and stuff because there are areas that are just not fitting well. So let me know what you think. I don't know if you could tell from this video clip, but they're already dirty. So if you have kids, or at least the driver's side one, because you know there's always going to be someone on the driver's side, it's already dirty because the light color. So maybe if they have an option to get these in black, but yeah, they're not gonna be all weather. But I think it's an improvement as far as because the all weather ones are black. But yeah, it's already dirty, so I gotta go wash these. Okay, so that's pretty much about it for this video. Let me know what you think about the Rivian floor mats. Not what I expected. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.